immune system. Kaya kung low ang immune system, okay ka. And the next thing you know, your neighbor is already buried. Decremate. Ang kinabuhi pag pandemic, kung mga COVID ka, mamatay ka, mawala ka kalit. Wala ka, huwag talit ka. Kaya why makaduaw ni mong haya, kaya may haya. Di ba? Dito maghuwag nga na ang taha. And that over 30 years around the world contains 23 time-tested and most potent herbs. There are 23 herbs in this one bottle of Vedra. But there are 4 distinct herbs like the licorice root, the astragalus, the reishi mushroom, and the sarsaparilla. Kaning upat, muna pinaka-importante yun na nasud sa botilya. But with these 23 time-tested potent herbs, it will address our age system. Next slide. Ay, wala pa ni ay. Balik sa, sorry. So, safety ni para sa mga bata. Di ba kung mag-vitamins manggaling ka, yang imong anak dili pa ni kainom, isa na importante, ikaw rin ay. But with Intra, all you have to do is just open, drink, repeat. Naalagay siya soon sa ref. Open, drink, repeat. Say it again.
Open, drink, repeat.
Very simple, right? You just need to take that every single day because you want to be healthy. And of course, ang mga bata, inig-abli sa ref, kaya na niya mo inom na sa yara. Kapag sa mga bata, inom ka mo! Gusto niya pa inom ng vitamins? Pero, nga nung masakit ang bata, ay dili na lang tempra ipainom. Intra na lang. Yes or yes? Alright. So, we also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So far, 8 years naman ko sa lifestyles. Wala pa iniuli na akong butilya. Ang iuli sa ako is pasalamat and reorder. Because the product never fails. Pagpaka na ito ang Intra. Next. Kainit din Lord. So, kung sa'yo trabaho ni Intra, there are 8 biological systems for each human being. We have our cardiovascular, digestive and energy, eliminative antioxidant, endocrine for the kidney, immune system, nervous, reproductive, and the structural for the musculoskeletal. This is a diagram by PubMed. Kung saan siya? Muna siya nagbantay sa tanang mga food supplements kung kinsa tong dili tinuod. But pagpaka na to ang Intra kay it will address all our 8 biological systems. Kabantay mo kung mag-prescription ng doktor, lahi ang arthritis, lahi ang heart,
Yes.
lahi ang rayuma, lahi ang dabasao, lahi ang sa cancer. Mo na imuhang tambal murag balay sa kaka. Gikan sa upat na kabalay, mahimo ng balo in the next 3 years. Nga naman, i-check up naman ang imong kidney kay nadaog na. Ngano nadaog? Because synthetic medications are very toxic. And you are the next contestant to be a dialysis patient. And the dialysis clinic is a pre-departure area. Impas ang kalaki. Amen. That's so scary. You don't want to waste the life that God gave you. Are you with me? Yes. Alright. So, next. The next product is the Nutria Plus. Say it with me. Nutria Plus.